Holy cow, folks, gifted elementary school students in Canada have found out that Epipens may not work in space. But instead of me explaining it to you, I'm going to have them explain it to you themselves.
It's a program called Cubes in Space, where students have the opportunity to send experiments into space on rockets.
And as CTV's Dave Charbonneau reports, one group of kids might have discovered life-saving results.
These are the vials that went on the rocket.
A group of gifted students at St. Brother Andre Elementary School have made a groundbreaking discovery.
We wanted to know the effects of cosmic radiation on the molecular structure of epinephrine.
That is used in EpiPens for medical emergencies and allergic reactions. As part of a project, the students sent experiments into space in tiny cubes on a NASA mission.
We had two experiments. For the pure epinephrine, when we sent it on the research balloon, it came back, but only 87% of it was actually epinephrine. 13% of it turned into benzoic acid, which is extremely poisonous.
Benzoic acid, 13%.
The students were shocked by their findings and realized that EpiPens might not work in space.
The professor that we partnered with didn't think there would actually be any change, but there was an actual change, and we know now that EpiPens don't work in space unless we find a way to protect them.
The results were conducted in a lab at the University of Ottawa.
We think it's the interaction of the sample with cosmic radiation, which is this high energy stuff that, once you get up to a certain altitude, it goes through everything.
They helped us to understand what the molecular structure looked like and the kind of machines that we needed to use to test it. So the students were excited and we ran with it. And the results were actually quite shocking. So write it as a sentence.
The students hope to continue their research and find a way to protect epinephrine and EpiPens in space.
What we want to do now is to resend these same things we sent to space last year to see if we will get similar or the same results, and to try and engineer a capsule that could protect the epinephrine and EpiPen solution to keep it from becoming unusable.
Their findings could have real-world implications for astronauts traveling in space.
It was really cool when we found out from the professor, and it felt like we were really doing something to help.
Dave Charbonneau, CTV News.